Let's go over our easy to use 5-week meal planner. You can see it comes in a bunch of different colors and we're adding colors constantly. So first you're going to have the instruction page and it'll go over the steps that you need to take. But for this, it's nice and easy to follow. You don't really have a lot of steps to use this 5-week meal planner. And again, you can plan them out for 5 weeks, all of your meals, or you can just plan out for a day or two. So on this page here is where you're going to set up everything. You can pick your start date, and then this date will auto transfer over to the other section where everything will be calendared. So you'll pick your start date there. We're going to start with today, and then you'll have all of your, basically you're creating your drop downs. So you'll have your menu section for your morning, afternoon, and evening. So you can put in all the good things that you want there. You can put in as much as you want. You don't have to use them all because, of course, this is your meal planner, but just any idea that you can come up with for breakfast, lunch, dinner, you can put those here. And again, because you're going to be using this throughout the 5 weeks, and you can always go back and add things too if you decide to add something else. But just is really easy and simple to use. It's just really this setup page, and then everything, like I said, transfers over to the other page that you will use. And then here is going to be your categories for when you're trying to categorize your groceries and different things like that. I put in candy because candy is a whole category to me in itself, but you can put in your categories as you see fit. Right here for your shopping, you can even put non-food items there if you do want. And then here is where everything will be transferred and you'll have your drop downs. So you can see that we added the bacon and eggs, and that'll be there as an option for breakfast. And then you can go across, you can plan out, like I said, the whole 5 weeks if you want to, or you can just plan out a few days. You can plan out a few weeks, 1 week, however you want to set this up. You can plan it out. And it's a Google Sheet, so you'll be able to pull this up from your phone as long as it's connected to that same Google. You can pull it up on the computer. You can pull it up on your laptop. So you can pull it up on the go and reference this. And you can also print this out. And then right here is where you will put your grocery list for these items. So you'll have your grocery list there, the quantity that you want. And then you'll have these sections that this falls under. So like I said, real easy, real simple to use. And if you can tell, because we changed the other section for the grocery list from other to candy, now that option is not there. But if you wanted to add back that option, you can just go back and add that option. But real simple, real easy to use. And then once you're here, like I said, you can pull up this right here. This is great for the go. For when you're at the grocery store, you just pull up this one sheet right here. Or you can print it out if you want and then check it off. But you can check it off right here from there. And then you'll have all of your list right here. And you can see down lower, the bacon was added there. So whatever you add there will be added here. Or you can just come in and add it here. So you can do it 2 different ways. And again, these are all on sale right now.